Vincent van Gogh is an impressionist artist, and we're going to be inspired by his work. We're going to work on our Van Gogh inspired background. So our backgrounds are going to be nighttime scenes. So we have that impression of starry night. It's almost like a starry night sky. First thing that you're going to do when you get your paper, and remember this is for the art show, so make sure that it says top landscape at the top. If the words are all going the correct way on the sides, then you know you got it right. So where it says name in this bottom right hand corner, that is where you're going to write your name. You do not need to fill out anything else, just your name there in the bottom corner. Then you're going to have at your table some fluorescent, yes, I said fluorescent oil pastels. These are very bright colors, and we want this sky to really look like it has some movement to it. You can pick any colors that you want, but you want to do it in the style of Impressionists, so we want to see lines. So it's like we're imitating brush strokes. So we want to see movement in different ways. You can switch, you can use any colors that you want. And you don't want the lines to be scribbles. You want them to look nice and neat. You want to stick with longer lines so that way you're able to fill up your space easily, and you are again filling your space with the lines. So you want to fill up the whole thing. So I'm going to work on that now. When I finish with my oil pastels, I'm going to make sure I put them all back where they belong. Close the lid and put that in the center of the table. Finished with that, I am ready to start using my watercolors because we're going to paint over our oil pastels. There are two sets of watercolors. So you want to make sure that when you get your sets of watercolors that you get both of them. In other words, you have 12 different colors. So we've got 1, 2, 3 blues to choose from. We've got 2 different greens, so on and so forth. So make sure that you get both sets, not 2 that look the same. We are, again, using watercolors. So with watercolors, we have to wake them up. We have to have a cup of water you're sharing. Remember, 2 people share a water cup. You have a medium or large paintbrush. Either one is fine. So I'm going to stick my brush in the water, and I'm going to start to wake up the watercolors. Notice I keep dipping in so I get plenty of water. So I've got like a pool of water on the watercolor that I'm going to use. Nice and watery. Now I'm going to start to paint my background. You can use any colors that you want. Again, notice how you said the word colors, so you can have more than one. I'm going to have some blue with mine. All right, so I'm going to mix these colors. It's going to start to look like a nighttime sky. Remember, it is inspired by Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. So you want to make sure that you have nice color and you have not left white in there. Again, we want it to look like a nighttime sky. So you're painting right to the edge all the way down. So this is what you're working on today.